Today's video is gonna be a get it all done vlog, so let's get to it. Buenas tardes. I hope everyone is having an amazing day. Today we're gonna be planting some plants. So I got my gloves here, so let's go do that. I'm going to be planting these onions real quick and then some aloe vera. So I'll see you outside. Here are my onions, and this is the aloe vera. I don't know how to plant aloe veras. I hope it grows. Yay! Yay! We have a lot to get done today, so let's get to it.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games. Baby, you won't change, I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Salud. The best watermelon water. I've been putting this off for so long, so today's the day I'm going to get it done. So first things first, we are going to clean it and take everything out of the shelf.
I've tried, written down the words to say. It is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind. Baby, you're the one. And tonight I am going all the way. Touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on, I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you
These devotional books right here are amazing for kids. So right here I wanted to move everything out of the way, cleaning everything, deep cleaning. This shelf was super dusty. I had to had to clean everything, broom. I had to vacuum in here, everything, take everything out of this little area. That way I had room to move everything in there. And so you're gonna see me rearrange everything here, the kids' desk, the whiteboard. What else was in there? Oh, the shelf, and rearrange everything and all the paperwork and all of the books, homeschool stuff, all of it. I'm gonna be putting it in the shelves and all that. That way it looks nice and organized. And let me tell you, besties, it is so organized now. I love how it turned out. I just wish I did this sooner.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I, floating on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzy heights. You make everything so much better.
The next clip is going to be the finished product and how it turned out. I love how it turned out, and I actually rearranged everything, and now looking back into this footage, I'm going to change it again to where it looked like that. I feel like there's more space in the room so that they can just walk and access all of their books, their curriculum, and all that good stuff. Yeah, I just wanted to make it more practical and easy for them to access all of that, and also look into the board and all of that while they're doing their schoolwork. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, besties!